Esteemed scholars, welcome back. Thank you for liking our videos. Thank you for sharing or reposting them. We are grateful to those of you who have subscribed, and for those who are yet to do so, we encourage you to waste no time in subscribing. We are looking at surds. We have looked at the definition of surds. We established in the last video that surds are square roots of non-perfect squares, and by extension that they are irrational numbers. Today we want to look at the laws of sorts. The laws of sorts. Laws of sorts. The following are the laws of sorts. Number one, if we have root or square root of mn, it's exactly the same thing as saying root or square root of m times n, and it's exactly the same thing as saying root m multiplied by root n. Number two, root m over n, which is the same thing as root m divided by n, will give us root m over root n, or root m divided by root n. That's another law of surd. We move to law number 3. Law number 3 tells us that root m square is equal to m. Closely following that is law number 4. Law number 4 is saying root m times root m. Root m times root m is equal to m. That is exactly the same thing as law number 3. Then we go to law number 5. Law number 5 is telling us that m root n is the same as m times root n. Let's write it that way first. Then from law number 3, that m is the same as saying root m square. Then before we have times root n. And from the first law, root m square times root n will give us root m square n. Law number 6. Law number 6 tells us that root m plus n is less than root m plus n is less than or equal to root m plus root n. And finally, law number 7, root m minus n is greater than or equal to root m minus root n. These are the 7 laws of sorts. So basic problems connected to Surds are easily resolved, are easily tackled using any one of these 7 laws. That will be what we are going to see in the next 2 videos, how to use these 7 laws of Surds to tackle any problem or question on Surds. But we will appreciate it if you continue to like our videos, you continue to repost or share them, and ultimately we desire your subscription for those of you who are yet to subscribe. For those who have done so, thanks a million. We'll see you in the next video. Baby,